hilt, and please not look into it. And nothing unexpected or has happened
Look how heavy this is.
which leads us to the most dangerous part of the process. Yay? Do you like the danger? Quite nice. Well, please place your completed hilt and the hilt saddle at your station, and everyone except for you take a large step back because it's the most dangerous part. You love the danger, so you just stay right here with me. Now, this is the most dangerous part. Now, they are placing each of these lightsabers into the Kyber crystal stabilization chamber. This is a dangerous process, requires years of experience, a steady hand, and a lot of confidence. How are you feeling, my friend?
Great.
That's quite nice. How are you feeling? Great and good. Well, I do not want to alarm. I didn't blame you, but I do want to keep you vigilant to the fact that you are standing right in front of multiple canisters of thermal detonators. So, do not knock into them. You should be fine. You should be. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We have reached the final stage in the process, and the bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. So in a moment, you will each step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together, on my signal, we will activate. Builder, step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and wait for it. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Raise them up. You have each constructed a lightsaber.